Hello teachers. Today I'm going to show you how to unjunk an email. Secretary Gracie has sent out several group emails that she says are not going through because they are going to people's junk mail. So in order to stop that, you're going to have to unjunk Gracie's email. And the way you do that is you go to open up your Outlook email program. Look over to the left and you'll see a junk email folder. If you click on that, it's going to show you your junk emails. You will need to find Gracie's group emails. Check the box of the emails and Gracie's group email, and then come up here to not junk and click on not junk. Okay, and when you do that, you just report it, or you can don't report it if you want. Okay, and then from that point on, you should be able to get Gracie's emails. So again, go to junk email, find Gracie's group email that she sent out, come up here to it says not junk, click on not junk, and you don't have to report it, and then it will not junk it. Okay, so you do that, and from that point on, you should be able to get Gracie's emails, group emails. Thank you.